Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn on your UBOTIE keyboard. So UBOTIE keyboard doesn't have a power button, so it confuses people. So I'll be showing you the steps that you need to do to turn on your keyboard. So the first step would be to insert a pair of AAA batteries in your keyboard, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to type on your keyboard so that it wakes. So after that you'll have to get the keyboard ready for Bluetooth pairing. So you'll have to press the FN button in your keyboard, and the usually is the C button, but you will see a Bluetooth symbol key in your keyboard. Usually is the C letter, so FN plus C, and your LED light will be blinking. So after that what you'll have to do is you'll have to enable Bluetooth on your device. So if it is a laptop or if it is a desktop that has a Bluetooth connection, you'll have to go to your device manager and turn on your Bluetooth and start your pairing. And then after that you'll have to pair the device with your UBOTIE keyboard, and you will be good to go. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.